California homeowners who may have lost everything in the ongoing wildfires in LA will already have to deal with, the pain, and also for some of them, the insurance crisis that may be on the horizon. And joining us now to talk about that, what they could face right now and in the months and years to come, is Neama Rahmani, a legal analyst and former federal prosecutor who's based in LA, also has some offices here in Las Vegas as well. We want to thank you for joining us, Neama. This is a situation that is dire for tens of thousands of people in LA County. And for one is because even before these fires ever happened, some of them weren't renewed, right?
That's absolutely true. Tens of thousands and upward of 70,000 homeowners in the Pacific Palisades and Malibu area were non-renewed by their insurance companies. So they either had no insurance or the bare minimum insurance under California's FAIR plan, which had to step in and supplement. So folks, even with insurance coverage, are going to get 50 cents, maybe 60 cents on the dollar. So they're not going to be made whole. And the cost of construction, because of all the shortage of contractors and parts, it's going to be in excess of $1,000 a square foot by the time it's all said and done.
Oh, wow. Do they have any recourse?
Depends on where they are. So in the Eaton Canyon fire, which affected the Pasadena and Altadena cities, it does appear that there's a utility that may be responsible there, Southern California Edison. So folks there can file a lawsuit to get damages in excess of their insurance. But in terms of the Malibu and Palisades victims, it does appear that that fire was caused by Mother Nature. There's really no one to go after. Now, there are some folks that are trying to sue the city of LA and DWP, but they tend to have immunity in those types of cases. So I think those homeowners, unfortunately, will be out of luck.
So you're talking about a situation that just keeps adding insult to injury. They've already lost everything. They already, and in some cases, whole towns went up in smoke, like Altadena, for example, and these folks are trying to figure out what's going to happen. A lot of people, we fill out the paperwork, we get the insurance, and we never look at it again. So it could be a situation where some folks don't even know what they have and don't have. This is a cautionary tale for all of us. Is there any advice you could give us for those who have homeowners insurance of what you should be doing to make sure that you are covered in case the unimaginable does happen?
Absolutely. It doesn't matter where you are. You're in Las Vegas, you're in Los Angeles, you're somewhere else. A lot of folks, they get homeowners insurance because their bank or their lender requires them to do so. They never think that their home is going to burn down. So take a close look at your policy with your broker or agent and ask yourself, is this really the cost of replacement? Will this be enough money if I'm displaced from my home and I have to rent for a year or two? It doesn't matter where you are in the Southwest. We're all at risk of fire. So unfortunately, folks really didn't spend the time because no one anticipated that this would happen. And as a result, they are underinsured and they're going to be suffering for the next several years.
Yeah, and in many cases, they think, oh, well, I did what I was supposed to do with the insurance, and so I must be covered. And what a rude awakening to discover that perhaps you didn't do enough coverage to protect you and your things. Thank you so much for joining us, Neama. We appreciate you.